40,000 muscles, without a single bone. Would you believe this is the most destructive piece of engineering on Earth? But that is not even the half of it. This very destructive machine, with its 40,000 muscle trunk, tears ancient roots from the earth with ease. Yet, it touches the smallest, most delicate leaves with unbelievable grace, as if every millimeter of this rugged skin is a sensor, tuned to the world's deepest vibrations. He is not just feeding. With every touch, he is mapping his surroundings within his intelligent mind. This 6-ton giant, to survive in the desert hell, is equipped with nature's most complex engineering tools. Sensors beyond human understanding, that track water molecules from kilometers away. A biological navigation system that tracks the pulse of life from kilometers away. He does not see the Earth. He translates the Earth with his entire being. Now, it is time for this incredible pump to activate. A trunk that, like a smart tanker, gulps liters of water in seconds, replenishing the reserves of this massive machine. Here, engineering reaches its peak of pleasure, where the 6-ton giant, with microscopic precision, regulates water pressure to cool its body. Perfection in design, at the service of tranquility. Even the kings of the jungle retreat before this massive engineering. Lions know well that this flexible trunk can, in an instant, turn into a deadly mace that no armor can withstand. It is as if time has stood still to witness nature's most delicate embrace. Trunks that, with every touch, inject tranquility into one another's veins. This is the hidden secret of these gentle giants. A place where power falls silent before the majesty of an endless love. But in the world of these giants, dominance does not mean destruction. Rather, it is the responsibility to protect the herd. Now, it is your turn. In the battles of life, how do you wield your power? What is the secret of your strength?